So if you want to move to the next level in your retinoid journey, watch the whole thing. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Mo. I'm a pharmacist, toxicologist, and safety assessor of personal care product. In this channel, we love to talk about science and safety of skincare and personal care product. If this is your first video, please don't forget to subscribe and join this community so I can provide you with the most up-to-date information regarding the safety of your personal care product. Today we are going to talk about a product that I purchased and have been using for a while now, and that would be the Avène A-oxitive night skin peeling treatment, and that would be the European name or the European version name, and it contains 0.1 retinol or retinal-dehyde. The US version is called Avène Retinol 0.1 cream. Let's start with what is retinol and is it different from retinol? Technically, yes. So when you apply cosmetic retinoid, it needs to be converted to the active form by your skin enzyme. The active form is called retinoic acid. It is only available by prescription, as we know, as in retinoid cream. In this picture, as you can see here, the pathway that retinoid go through to be activated and give your skin the benefit it needs. Starting from the retinoid you apply onto your skin, it may take few steps for the active form to be made. So let's take an example. If you apply, for example, retinol, it will take 2 steps to be converted to retinoic acid. If you apply retinol palmitate, then it will take 3 steps. But if you apply retinol, it will take 1 step. So, okay, Mo, does it matter? Does the number of the steps matter? Well, technically, again, yes. It will determine how fast you will see the result. If you are seeing slow results with retinol, you can up your game with retinol. Let's look back at the picture here. You see the arrows between each retinoid molecule. In almost all the steps, the arrows goes both way, which means the reaction is reversible. In other words, which means if you applied retinol, it may be converted to retinal-dehyde, and due to a specific and very complicated circumstances inside your cell, it may be converted back to retinol. All of this takes time, but retinol to retinoic acid, the last step here, can only go in one direction, from retinol to retinoic acid, aka the active molecule. Another interesting fact is that the chemical reaction between retinol to retinol is called a rate-limiting reaction, which means this reaction speed will determine how fast you will see the results. And we know when it comes to people, they are unique when it comes to metabolizing chemical. Some are fast metabolizers and others are slow metabolizers. So the great question, how to overcome those limitations? Well, simply use a retinol product, or if you can get a prescription retinoid, it would be the best. I used this product for a few weeks and I'm enjoying it. Of course, I stopped my retinoid for this review, so this product is well stabilized thanks to its formulation with vitamin E and oleol tripeptide 31, which is an antioxidant peptide. Also, there is a special packaging that is airtight and has a lock for extra safety and protection from the air, because as we know, retinol is not very stable. The cream is light, absorbed really fast, and no residue is left behind. It didn't cause any irritation, and it has some soothing oil like evening primrose oil. Lastly, it helped to maintain my threat results. So if you want to get this product, now I have my Amazon store, which is big deal, where you can get the product I recommend and also support my channel by purchasing from those links. The link also will be down below. One last thing, guys, I'm really considering getting back to lives here on YouTube. So I can interact with you live and answer your question, and we can also have like fun discussion about skincare or anything you want to talk about. Let me know what topic I should cover with those live and what kind of question I should answer. So this was my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and ask your question in the comments. And as always, please guys, don't forget to be safe, and see you in the next one. Bye.